Hey guys, and welcome back. So today we will make sample example using the Pygame package in Python. We are going to learn how to move an object. The main concept of doing this is by changing the coordinate of the object and refreshing the screen. So we start with the basic setup for Pygame. To begin with, we need to import Pygame model in this program. So we write the following: import Pygame. Then to activate the Pygame library, we need to initiate Pygame and give permission to use Pygame's functionality by typing pygame.init. Now, what actually we can do here is to create the main display of the surface object with specific dimension, screen width, and screen height. We name our variable screen equal to pygame dot display dot set underscore mode and screen width screen height. As an example, we set each of them 500 pixels. So screen width, comma, screen height equal to 500. We can also customize our program and set the program window name by typing pygame dot display dot set underscore caption, and we give the program a name, moving object. After finishing with this, then let's go ahead and restart our main game loop, which infinite loop, by typing while run, and run take the value true, run equal true. First of all, we need to iterate over the list of event objects that was returned by pygame.event.get method by typing the following: for event in pygame.event.get. Now, if event object type is quit, then we will quitting the pygame and also the program. So let's type our condition. If event dot type equal pygame dot quit, and that condition it will make exit the while loop. So run equal false. So now in order to control the object, it's usually by the keys pressed from the keyboard or the mouse. So let's go ahead and type it. Keys equal pygame dot key dot get pressed. Now if left arrow key is pressed, if keys pygame dot k underscore left, and x the player or the object coordinate greater than 0, then we need to decrement in x coordinates by x minus equal object underscore vel or velocity. Let's go back and initiate our object coordinates. So let's start as comments: display object information x, y equal 100 and 100. It's the starting position in the screen. And let's give the object dimension object width and object height as 2020 and his velocity as object velocity object val equal to 5. We can play more with these values later. Now let's go back to the keys. So if right arrow key is pressed, if keys Pygame dot key right and x lesser than screen width minus object width. So let's go ahead and increment in x coordinates. X plus equal object val. And if up arrow key is pressed, if keys Pygame dot key up and y greater than 0, let's decrement in y coordinate. Y minus equal object val. And if down arrow key is pressed, if keys Pygame dot key down and y lesser than screen height minus object height, let's increment in y coordinate. Y plus equal object val. And then we will set the background by completely fill the main screen with black color. Screen dot fill and take the argument black with RPG colors black equal 0 and 0 and 0. And now let's draw the object on screen, which is for simplicity shows to be a rectangle filled with the red color. With here we write Pygame dot draw dot rect for rectangle, and we will set in the screen and take the color red, and we set initially in the position x and y with the width object width and height object height, and red equal 255 0 and 0. And to refresh the window we need to type Pygame dot display dot update, and to set the FPS frame per second we write clock dot tick and take the argument FPS, and we set the FPS as, for example, FPS equal to 60, and the clock take the value clock equal Pygame dot time dot clock with uppercase C. And finally we close the Pygame window by typing out of the loop Pygame dot quit. So if I run this, we can see a dark screen with the red rectangle that I can control it with the arrow of the keyboard as I said.
in the code as expected, and this object forbidden to cross the screen borders. Thank you, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I will put the code with the link in the description below. So see you later.